100 square meters for a single attached unit located in Dasmariñas, Cavite na available through Pag-ibig Financing at naka-introductory price pa. Don't miss this offer kasi meron tayong newest project here in Cavite na for sure magugustuhan mo talaga. And the best part nga, for as low as 24 to 26,000 monthly payment, you can now own this modern single attached unit.
Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another project tour. And alam mo ba na isa sa reason kung bakit mabenta si Linnea Unit? Basic finish ang turnover natin, kaya naman fully customizable talaga ang interior ng bahay. Standard inner lot, may 100 square meters ka na lot area and may floor area ka na rin na 77.25 square meters. At since bago lang ang project natin, for sure marami pa tayong available na corner lot at end lot unit na malalaki ang lote. For this unit, meron ka na provision for 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, service area that you can expand for future kitchen renovation, at may provision ka na rin for 1 to 2 carport na talagang nagbugustuhan ng mga client natin. Tulad na sinabi ko nga, ilo-launch pa lang itong project na to, kaya naman sure na naka-introductory price pa tayo. Ang kagandahan dito, compared to other projects nearby, very competitive ng price package natin. As estimated, 24 to 26,000 ang monthly payment and ang required income naman is roughly around 87,000 for the basic fee, at pwede ka mag-co-borrower, anyone will do since through Pag-ibig Financing tayo. And ito nga si ma'am galing abroad, take time to visit her unit at nagulat siya kung gaano kalaki at spacious na ating Linnea unit. Just imagine how you can renovate this unit with the extra lot na meron ka upon turnover. And alam mo ba na 20,000 lang din ang reservation payment natin, mapapasayo na to? Kaya naman wag mo na palagpasan to, tara tripping na tayo, link in bio or call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at iMo number. See you sa tripping! Bye!